Can you teach me some English expressions?
Sure. You can say, see you later, alligator.
Well, see you later, alligator. And do you speak Spanish?
Sí, señor. Hola, muchacho.
Hola.
¿Cómo te llamas?
My name is Daniel.
Me llamo David. ¿De dónde eres, señor?
Excuse me?
¿De dónde eres, señor?
I'm from Colombia.
Soy de Estados Unidos. Mucho gusto.
Nice to meet you.
Mucho trabajo, poquito dinero.
I'm not working at this moment. What do you do for a living?
I am a HelloTalk live streamer.
Can you teach me some other expressions?
Sure. If you don't use it, you lose it.
If you don't use it, you lose it?
Mhm.
Okay. What do you do if you have $1 million?
I would give you half of it.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
But if you cannot do that, what can you do? What do you gonna do?
I would build a hospital.
I see. You are very humble.
Yeah. Do you know why?
Why?
So that when I die, I still get good rewards. Something is on earth that will create good deeds for me.
What means good deed?
Like good reward.
Reward.
I will show you. Give me one moment. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?